Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So we're back with another what I ate in a day. I'm super excited. Summer is literally right around the corner and I feel like everyone just wants to look and feel their best. So that's why I wanted to share some healthy meal ideas with you guys. We're actually going to be trying out some new ones, so I'm pretty pumped. Really quick before we hop right into the video, if you do want to support your girl here, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Actually, let me know in the comments where you're from. I feel like it'd be super cool to see where everyone is from. Anyway, let's just get started. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Little side note, I actually had to refilm this intro because I accidentally deleted it, so that's why I don't look the same in the next clip. I always start off my day with a cup of coffee. This is just black coffee and almond milk. I do try to stay away from coffee creamers because they usually have tons of sugar in them, which is just, you know, not a good idea if you're trying to lean out. But yeah, I'm going to sit here, enjoy my coffee, and also get some work done on my laptop, and then I'll be back in a little bit. Before I have any breakfast, I actually like to take care of my workout. I just like to get it right out of the way, right when I have the most energy in the morning. And I feel like if I eat breakfast before, I'm like super full and then I just don't even feel like working out at all. I've definitely been trying my best to be more consistent with working out, so I'm really happy about that. And I honestly do really miss the gym, which I'm sure a lot of you feel the same about. Since home workouts are my only option right now, I'm just trying to make the most of it and not let it stop me from accomplishing my fitness goals. So yeah, let's, you know, get that workout in. I'm actually gonna work out outside. It's kind of gloomy, but I checked the weather and it's actually like 70 degrees, so it's not even that cold, and it's just like a different vibe out there, you know?
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white.
Okay, that kind of sucked because it was super humid out. I didn't really think about that, but you know, I still got the workout done. And on workout days, for breakfast, I usually make like a really jam-packed protein smoothie. It actually keeps me super full until lunch, and I can get like a bunch of veggies and fruit in. Here's all the ingredients we're gonna need. So first of all, we got some spinach, protein powder. This is the organic Orgain protein powder in the flavor vanilla. This one's super good, not chalky or anything. And then we have some hemp hearts. These are really great if you're trying to get some extra protein in your diet. We got some Trader Joe's non-dairy almond beverage. This is the original one that's unsweetened, and it has like less than 1 gram of sugar, so that's why I always pick this one. Then we got 1 banana, some frozen strawberries, and lastly, this Vital Proteins collagen powder. This really helps with your hair, skin, and nails, and also strengthening your joints and muscles, so I really like to include this.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day.
Alright, I'm starting to get hungry for lunch now, so we're gonna make that. We're actually making a new recipe today that is super clean and healthy. So it's gonna be a chili lime shrimp wraps, and then I'm also gonna make some air fried Brussels sprouts on the side. It's gonna be pretty fire. Looking for some good recipe inspo, I always use Pinterest and also Instagram. Those are like my go-tos. So I'm first gonna start off by seasoning the shrimp, and then I'm gonna let it marinate for about 15 minutes. guys, I actually did some stuff off camera, as you can see. So first of all, I added the cooked shrimp with some avocado, some salt, pepper, some more lime juice, and then also some red pepper flakes. Mixed it up. This is going to be the filling for our tacos. We're actually going to be using some giant lettuce leaves as our tortilla today. It's just like a healthier option instead of a tortilla. I've never actually had tacos this way, so I'm excited to try it out. And then also the Brussels sprouts just got done, nice and crispy. Here is the finished meal. It looks really good actually. I can imagine it's gonna be pretty messy to eat though, but regardless, it's probably gonna taste really good. Guys, I was actually in a hurry to get to my cats today, so I didn't have a chance to say anything about the tacos, but I wanted to say that they were amazing and a lot less messy than I thought. My boyfriend really loved them too, so I would highly recommend making them. They're actually super quick and easy to make, which is super nice. And I feel like they're the perfect summer recipe because they're super fresh, have really clean ingredients and everything. Really quick, I want to show you guys two options for drinks that you can have that are just healthier options rather than having like a really sugary juice or pop or something. So the first one is obviously kombucha. You guys probably know if you watch my videos that I'm kind of obsessed with it, but this one is the new favorite of mine that I just discovered. It's the organic and raw ginger ale. It is pretty strong, but I promise after you drink it for a while you do get used to it. It's so great for gut health, and this one actually has green tea in it, so it does have some caffeine, which is really nice actually. Secondly, we have my sparkling water Spindrift. This is just my favorite alternative for pop because it's literally like a pop, but it's obviously just flavored water, but it definitely reminds you of that. Again, unfortunately, this does take some time to get used to, but if you are trying to get leaner and more toned for summer, then these are really great drink options because it's so easy to consume so many calories with like a really bad drink. So yeah, I just highly recommend these. Also, I just wanted to say really quick that while I do think it's a great idea to have like 5 go-to healthy meals, I also think it's a great idea to continuously be trying out new ones because this is actually what keeps me super interested in eating healthy because it's just really fun and makes you more excited to cook, I guess. Whereas if I ate the same thing all the time, I personally would start to get bored, so that would cause me to like revert back to eating unhealthy foods. So yeah, I just thought this was a really good tip, so I really want to share it with you. So it's 8 o'clock now. I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna be making this brown butter sage gnocchi, and I'm gonna add some chicken sausage to it, but you could also add any protein that you like. So here are the main ingredients for the recipe. We first have Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi. These have super clean ingredients and are super yummy. And then also some spinach, my favorite chicken sausage. This is the smoked apple Chardonnay chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. I love it so much. I could have chicken to be a little cleaner, but like this just is so good. Lastly, some mushrooms. These gnocchis take longer to make than this, so I'm going to start doing this first. So I'm adding some mushrooms to the pan to cook with the gnocchi for a little bit, and then I'm going to add the chicken sausage and some spinach. That was so quick to make, guys, and look how it turned out. It looks amazing. So excited to eat this. Guys, this is so yummy. Okay, we need to end off this day with a really yummy dessert. So we're gonna be making this super clean banana mug cake. It's actually so freaking good. Here is literally all the ingredients in the mug cake. It's super simple. So just 1 egg, 1 banana, 3 tablespoons of flour, and also 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. But you could substitute this for cocoa powder if you want to make it a little extra healthy. I haven't tried it with the cocoa powder, but I know that you can do that, and I'm sure it'd be really good as well. I just kind of have a weakness for dark chocolate, so I ended up pouring the batter into this giant mug, and then I cooked it in the microwave for about 90 seconds, and then I I kept adding 30 seconds like until it was done. So like chocolatey and banana-y, and it's just like the perfect combination. Unfortunately, I don't have any ice cream, but that would probably be amazing on here. Warning though, it does come out like super hot, so please be careful. I'm gonna watch some Netflix now and enjoy my mug cake, so I'm probably gonna end the video off here, but I really hope you guys enjoyed the meals that I made today. They actually turned out so good, so I'm super happy because now I have more meals to add to my meal idea list. Seriously, so cool. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!